Welcome to Shop Talk. We're going to look at that Husqvarna 372 chainsaw. That's a 71cc motor. This one features a 32-inch .050 gauge, 3/8 general bar. And we'll take a up close look at some of the features this saw has. Kill switch is right here, easy to get at. It's got the operator presence lever. It won't throttle up until you have your hand in place. And the choke is right here. It's got the side load on your fuel mix and the oil reservoir. Fuel mix here and the oil reservoir here. Has those heavy duty springs, real nice motor mounts. Double falling spikes. And to adjust the tension on the bar, it's real easy. Just loosen the two bar nuts up, and it's right on the side right here. And it features that nice heavy-duty air filter underneath there. Just a very nice old chainsaw. We'll go outside and make a cut with it.